Are you a book? Book? Tilly. You're not a book. Okay. Book. That's your shelf. Tilly. Chip. What's wrong with you two? Oh! Hello, Tilly. What you doing? Quack. Big puffy bird, aren't you? Yeah. Where's Chip? Let's go get Chip. Oh, we've gone up here. Okay. What you doing, Chip? Step up? Step up. Oh dear. Oh no, it was hello Chip, it wasn't oh dear. But it would be funny if you started saying oh dear, wouldn't it? Maybe I should start saying oh dear. Oh dear. Hello Chip. Hello Tilly. Hello Tilly. Hello Chip. Oh yep, you're always like. Whoa, okay. Let's just remind you that there's a. There you go. Oh, you're such a feisty little chick. Chickens.